Did you know it's easy to get started in the Salesforce ecosystem as a Salesforce administrator? Let me show you how. I'm Mike Gerholt, and today I'm going to share with you 5 easy ways to get started. First, as a Salesforce administrator, we want to get to learn more about Salesforce, and to do that, we use Trailhead. Need a break from all those Zoom meetings? Grab the most recent episode of the Salesforce Admins podcast and head outside for a walk. And I like to curl up by the fire, grab something warm, my Trailhead mug, and connect with other Salesforce admins on Twitter using the hashtag #AwesomeAdmin. And of course, as a Salesforce administrator, you can connect with other Salesforce admins at your local user group. Many of them have virtual meetings. All right, everyone, let's wave hello. And we can learn more about being a Salesforce admin at admin.salesforce.com.
Ooh, there's a lot of blog posts here. Oh, neat, cool, Trailhead Live. Oh, there's a podcast. Wow.